Function generator. It is a signal generator which generates three or more periodic waves. This is block diagram of function generator. This function generator provides or produce periodic waves like triangular wave, square wave, and sine wave. Now there are two current sources, current source 1 and current source 2 in function generator, which delivers constant current. These two current sources are controlled by a frequency control network, which is given here. A frequency control network is basically op-amp having two capacitors, one in inverting terminal and another in feedback loop. So input to this inverting terminal of op-amp is constant DC current source, which delivers current. So there are two intervals. One is a charging of capacitor and other is discharging of capacitor. In first interval, both capacitors charges as capacitor blocks DC current. In first interval, there is no output present at the output of op-amp. In second interval, capacitor becomes voltage source and discharges through resistors and gives output at the op-amp output terminal. Now, how it generates, function generator generates triangular wave. Here is triangular wave. So in the first interval of frequency control network, it triggers constant current supply source 1. Now this current source delivers current in the forward direction. In the forward direction, we can take this current as a positive. Suppose 1 milliampere. This is given to the integrator block. So after integration of this current, positive current, with respect to time, it gives T output because we have given current as a 1 milliampere. After 1 milliampere, after integration, it becomes T as a T, which is a positive slope. T is nothing but positive slope. In second interval of frequency control network, it triggers this constant current source, which delivers current in reverse directions. In reverse direction, so we take this current as a negative current. Suppose this is a minus 1 milliampere. So when this is given to the integrator block, it integrates that input. So after integration, it gives minus T as its output, which is nothing but negative slope. So integrator present in this block gets constant current alternatively from upper and lower current sources for equal amount of time repeatedly. So integrator will produce positive and negative slope for the same time repeatedly, which is nothing but triangular waveform. In this way, the integrator present in this block diagram will produce a triangular wave. Now second is a square wave and sine wave. Now square wave. The triangular wave has a positive slope and negative slope alternatively for equal amount of time repeatedly. So the voltage comparator given here, voltage comparator multivibrator present in this block diagram will produce two types of output for equal amount of time repeatedly. When the voltage comparator when the voltage comparator multivibrator gets the positive slope of triangular wave, that voltage is applied to the negative terminal. Here we can see a voltage comparator. In the voltage input voltage to the this voltage comparator is negative at the inverting terminal, and V reference is connected to positive terminal of this op-amp. Output of comparator gives a constant voltage which has higher level, means it gives like this. So another case, when the voltage comparator multivibrator gets negative slope of triangular wave, that voltage is applied to the negative or inverting terminal of op-amp, and V reference is connected to non-inverting terminal of op-amp. So output of comparator gives a constant voltage which is have lower level, which produce as a this like this. So the voltage comparator multivibrator present in this block will produce a square wave. If the amplitude of square wave that is produced at the output of voltage comparator multivibrator is not sufficient, then it can be amplified to the required value by using square wave amplifier, that is output amplifier. So we get a square wave. After that, a sine wave. Sine wave shaping circuit. This resistance diode shaping circuit will produce a sine wave output from a triangular input wave. Basically, this circuit consists of a diode resistance network. If the amplitude of sine wave produced at the output of sine wave shaping circuit is insufficient, then it can be amplified to a required value by using this sine wave amplifier. So this function generator generates three types of waveforms: square wave, triangular wave, and sine wave. This is about function generator. Thank you.